In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to enable the mic as an input for your Galaxy Buds FE. Now, assuming you already connected your Galaxy Buds FE and you're not able to use the mic, go into the search bar center right there on your Windows 11 computer and type in the words sound settings. Go ahead and type that in. If you haven't done so yet, you'll see the suggestion. Click on it when you see it, and it'll take you exactly where you need to go now. Okay, you should be in the output and input section, and you want to go to where it says the input. So this is output to the top where the audio is coming out from, and if you want the audio to come on from your headphones, you can click here and adjust the settings from here. You can use the bottom right section where the volume panel is, but in case you don't see these options, you'll have to come here. And now go to where it says input right here. This is where you can switch to the headset. Make sure it says Samsung Buds FE, and that'll allow you to have the mic enabled and ready to use. You can test out the input volume here. And this is not gonna work for every app or program on your computer, but enable it and see if it works for you, okay? Like and sub.